Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri nang ba kajila o konrat sangma. Habayakran makinong thok kubor halor ka Jingbym don Doktor ha CHC Mawïong. Ha kapor bakiwanra yaw Dr. Ricky AG Singkon. Uloong baka jing Tohkit kalaya chakmat halor kani. Ulaban rap baga tenat kakot kakya kalashim yaki sien jam halor kani. Bat menteri katenat kakot kakya untip kambania halor kani ka jing Tohkit. Habaya day bar kajing don ki Doktor ha kajila menteri rang ba kajila konrat sangma ulay thu baka sorkar ha kisnem baladep kim shumlala banya chikmat ban Thung Doktor namar ka MPSC ru kalabun ki kam bakan hap ban pendep u konrat ulaong baka sorkar klashim ye ki senjam ban sedang daka Recruitment board na kebenta ki Doktor bat na kani kilala ban Thung sans pa ngut ki Doktor bat kumba laipusan ngut ki Doktor specialist kila da ban Thung kam.
There's already an inquiry that has taken place, and and based on that inquiry, I think the health department is taking necessary steps. So I think health minister will be in a better position to reply to that. You can have a word with him. 50 doctors. I don't know if you heard this the reply last time, which was again stuck because of the fact that that there was no recruitment process and MPSC was overburdened. So we started a new recruitment board for the doctors, and based on that we have recruited 550 doctors now, and even specialists we have recruited about 30-35 specialists. So there has been in addition of maybe close to about 1,000 plus, about I can't remember the exact number, but it was 1,200 something plus manpower in the overall system, and it's a huge improvement compared to where we were before. A lot more needs to be done because we still have infrastructure shortages, and there's a reason why we are pumping in more money into health sector. If you looked at the budget, it is double that of the national average. It's because we realize that there's so many areas which we need to keep